dioxide it absorbs, and 14 kilogram of oxygen. Imagine the country. India has got 1 billion people, billion trees. If such a thing happens, then you will have a beautiful land, beautiful India, and environmentally a happy place you will have. Will you take a decision today? At least 5 trees you are going to plant in next 5 years time and nurture it. How many of you will do it? Okay, all of you will do it. So friends, you take a vow. I will plant 5 trees and ensure that growth. Thank you. You are good guys. Thank you. Next. Now friends, all of you remember, time is very important. Time is very important. Every minute is important. Now, the time, you know, Earth rotates to one axis. It takes how much time? How much time? 24 hours. Now, Earth full of orbits around the Sun, how much time it takes? 1 year. 1 year. So, the Earth once orbits around the Sun 1 year, whether